Yeah, it's my trashy ass mic. So, if I put this in, it's not gonna work, right? Yeah, it doesn't even work anymore. On my fit, I wore my beat up Jordans that I wear to school. So, alright, so like I was in the mall here. So like I was very shy because it was my first time recording in public. So like, yeah, I was basically like shy as fuck. We're gonna go to the shop right now. Alright, so right now we made it to Cyberzone. We were looking for a gaming stream, but yeah, it didn't take that long. It was already there. Alright, so this branch of gaming stream didn't have the keyboard, so we were gonna plan to go to another store. Alright, so right now we made it to the other store. So yeah, we were just gonna go to gaming stream like already. Right, so you can see now we're now in Cyberzone. We were just walking and then we found gaming stream. You see, I even zoomed into it. Like, wait. I even zoomed into it. In 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there. Got like the Razer Huntsman Mini, and when you issue my cable, because my shit goes black every time for some reason. So yeah, probably take this apart. Right. Tape. So oh my. Alright, we'll just take it off. Fuck. How do I unbox this, bro? Wait up. Hold on, wait up. Hold on. There we go. Okay, there we go. It's my first Razer. Yo, this shit is crazy. Oh my. Fuck. Gotta put this on. Okay. It's so small. It's so tiny. Oh shit. Because it's the Razer Huntsman Mini, right? Locked out like a phantom. Whoa! It's so silent. Thank God I didn't get the sticky. I think I'm gonna go pro with this, guys. You guys think I'm gonna go pro with this? So, this one. So HD 60. So basically this. For gamers, by gamers, said by Razer. Okay, what the hell is Razer saying? That's like the weirdest thing I've ever said. Okay, that's cool. I remember yes! The stickers! I wanted these stickers. Oh, fuck. I wanted these stickers, bro. They look crazy. Like these stickers. Yeah, this is gonna be sick. Alright, but I'm gonna put them aside. Putting them aside. I cannot put them in for some reason. Okay. It's some difficult. Okay. Thank you. I'm blacked out like a phantom now, chat. Okay. Oh my god. Alright. Now get in. Oh, there, it's already open though. Alright. This one. Damn. It's good, bro. Okay. It's so small. It's so small, bro. It's so cute, bro. I'm dead ass. I'm so in love with my shit, bro. Alright. Whoa, that sound is crisp, bro. Alright, here it is. Okay, you can't hear it, but it's crisp. Alright, this. No sound. Okay. So let's see it. It's heavy, bro. It's heavy. I wonder how I'll connect this. So, oh. Over here. Alright. Let's take this off. Alright. So, I'm just guessing this. This. Yeah, okay. That's. So we got it correct. Let's get this keyboard off. Oh my god. Trashy keyboard. Fuck! Wait. We need to make a sound comparison. We need to make a sound comparison. Loud. Size comparisons. 2. Silent. Let's go. Now, alright. So like we're now in the software, the Razer Synapse. So right, we have SnapTap, right? So that's crazy good. Gaming mode, and yeah, it makes your letter U white. So yeah, that's good. Not that good for me. And lighting, you can change your brightness, but for best effects, you need to use Chroma Studio. So I already have made like various profiles. They're crazy. They look good. Right? They're not. It's not loading. Alright. So here, yeah, there's a lot of effects. They all look good. Let's remove everything for now. Save. Ambient awareness. I don't know that one. So let's say audio meter. Say letter color. Yeah. Breeding into green. Yeah, so it's breeding. I don't have a hand cam, but yeah, it's breeding for me. Yeah, so basically like that. And fire, I think I have a fire. Yeah, it looks like this in real life. Okay. Yeah. That's all. It always ends
Eileen,
with
do
a
you
Y.
like Eileen, bro? Do you like blacked out like a phantom?
I'm lagging! Oh, is that
Then-
gonna be hard to get used to this?
Wait,
keyboard?
Divine, man, you need to get passion.
It's been passed.
What? Man, you need to get passion. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay. Blacked out.
I gotta be fast. Bro, this guy. Everybody go, everybody. No, I'm gonna give me that. I need that.
Oh, shit.
I'm still ass. A new keyboard doesn't give me new skills, I guess.
Who keeps saying that?
Bro, this guy! Why did this guy pick only fucking shotguns, bro? How am I gonna learn? I'm just gonna pass him.
I need sticks.
Oh. Actually, bro, this guy is too defensive, bro. I'm dead ass. Actually, oh yeah. Am I sliding? And now he's fully boxed. And now he's fully boxed. Hey. Why is he fully boxed? Hey. Why is blood fully boxed? Hey. Why is blood fully boxed in my shit? Why is blood fully boxed in my shit? Money, music, and passion. Money, music, and passion. Money, music, and passion. Money, music, and passion. Hey. Money, music, and passion. Hey. Money, music, and passion. Oh fuck! I just pickaxed him. I just pickaxed him. I just pickaxed him, bro.
Oh, did you just pickaxe the chupapi muñeño?
Okay, we're back with the chupapi again, bro.
Muñeño.
Please,
Muñeño.
Money, music, and passion. Money, music, and passion.
Bro, you don't say
music
el
and
chupapi
passion.
muñeño. You have to say el chupapi muñeño, bro.
Bro, are you Mexican, bro?
El chupapi muñeño, bro. Like umaño. You can't say chupapi muñeño. We gotta enumaño. Enumamo. Muñeño.
Bro, you know I saw this guy just keeps holding it, bro. He's not even doesn't even have skill. I'm dead ass.
Holding it? What the hell do you mean holding it?
The wall. He just keeps holding the wall, bro.
That's so fucking bad, bro.
And like he doesn't fight anymore, bro.
Why does it have animations, bro?
What is there some ass looks, bro? Ass looks.
What the hell?
That's what you said when you were crashing out, bro.
Money, music, and passion. Money, music, and passion. Hey, money, music, and passion. Bro,
Why is he playing?
leave! At this point, bro,
Oh,
I'm
they're
just...
literally killing each other, bro. What the hell? These niggas are.
Money, music, and passion. Money, music, and passion. What? Why can't I reset, bro? I need a new mouse now. This doesn't change the fuck. I'm still ass, guys.
You know where you are.